believe this calls for an unboxing. Heavy little bastard too. Where's my steak knife at? Yeah. There it is right there. I wonder what's in these boxes though. Let's see. Something with a magnet is in here. Well, it's from B2 Audio, so it's gotta be something good. Wonder if it's those. Oh yeah, it is. I ordered up some 8's a few weeks back for a little project I wanted to do. And here they are. I forgot I ordered them, but here they are. Nice. No wonder this box is so heavy. Four boxes, there you go. Now we got more unboxing to do. Let's keep going. Yes, here we go. It's another box. Damn it. All right, B2 Audio. Now, I hope there's not another box in here. All right, so this is what we have so far. 4 white boxes that say B2 Audio on them. XM8. Dual one of them. Sweet like Danish. I guess we got nothing better to do but go to stage 2 and crack these ones open next. Like I said, I hope there's not a box in here too. Hey, if anything, they're well protected. That's a good thing, right? Oh yeah, would you look at that? Oh man, this thing's so nice. I gotta take them all out of the box so I can see them at the same time. These for a special project that I don't really want to talk about right now, because if I don't do it, I don't want people asking me about it. But you will see soon enough, as soon as I decide whether or not I'm going to do it. But for right now, these little bad boys are nice. I didn't expect them to be like this when I ordered them. I was just thinking some 8's. There's a lot of 8's out there, but these things, man, I don't know. I'm digging them. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and maybe one of these fine Woofer Flex Wednesdays, we'll put them on that big fat amplifier over there on the test bench and get them moving right before I decide what the box is gonna be like and where they're actually gonna go. I know this is a short little unboxing video, but I had to show these to everybody. They were just too nice not to. And plus, the box was heavy. B2 Audio. You know how we do it.